There was music in the rain, falling on her bare skin. Gentle fingers of water sliding slow, tracing where the day had been. She tilted her face to the sky like it was his mouth again. Every drop a quiet promise, every shiver his name. In the puddle where her feet hit, soft splash, heartbeat sink in the air when her wet hair spin, wild, free, undone. In her mind there was imagining him still reaching through the storm. There was music, only music in the rain. Blurred into halos on the wet black street. She walked barefoot, toes curling in the cool relief. The city held its breath while the heavens played their song. And she danced alone with ghosts that wouldn't leave her alone. In the puddle where her feet hit ripples spreading wide. In the air when her wet hair spin, laughing at the night. In her mind I was imagining him close enough to feel. There was music, only music in the rain. Through the city streets, a solitary sweet refrain. Only music in the rain. Only music in the rain. Let the heavens open wide, let the symphony begin. Each droplet a rhythm, a forgotten melody within. She's lost inside the moment, letting all the sorrow fade. In this beautiful downpour, a love song softly played.